My name is Ajay and today in this video I will give you some tips for speaking practice. If you are learning this language, so you might feel some little bit problem when you go to speaking. So in this video I will tell all the things related to speaking practice. So first thing, most of the English speakers says that I know that in English spoken journey, speaking practice is very important. But I would start speaking when I would learn little bit English. Then I would start. It is okay, but I would suggest that when you start speaking practice, then you start learning. That is your real learning because you do a lot of mistakes and you learn from your mistakes. Now the second one is some people says I know that speaking is important. I want to speak but I don't have any friend. I don't have environment where I can speak. I don't know any about any good application. See, yeah, friend, application is very nice way to if you want to do speaking practice. I also use application that is my favorite one is Fluency. ACEFLUENCY is Fluency. I use it. I have taken its membership plan, but if you want to use it freely, you can use it. It provides 20 minutes daily talk per day. So you can use 20 minutes with the other person uh, for your speaking practice. And I have also done, I have practiced 6 months freely, 20 minutes. So this is very nice application you can use for your speaking practice. And there are other some applications like Buddy Talk and Talk New application. So you can use these applications also. These are free and provides a good feature for speaking practice. And there are person like us with whom we can learn spoken English. We have not need to share our personal information. We have not need to show our face. We can only talk and do practice for speaking. And now a lot of person says that I do speaking practice, but I face a lot of problem when I speak. I face little bit nervousness when I speak with anybody. Sometimes my mind goes blank. Yeah, friends, you are on a right track. It happens with everybody. It has happened with me, and whatever, whoever are learning English, it has happened with them also. So it is happening with you. Now, what you have to do is you have to be consistent and try to do daily practice, because when you do daily practice, you do a lot of mistakes, and through your mistakes, you learn a lot of things. It is happening with you because you are doing something new, but when you start doing it consistently, you will feel that now you are becoming comfortable with that process. So uh, do it daily, and you will start feeling that now you are okay with that, and you would learn a lot also. For english learning, like if you want to be a good speaker, there is a saying like, for being a good speaker, first of all you need to be a good listener. So if you feel problems when you speak, so try to listen as much as you can. There are a lot of conversation on YouTube. You can listen podcast and more. You can listen them whatever you like. And another thing is reading loudly. That is very important thing. Like if you, when you read loudly, you speak also, and it helps you when you go to speaking. And you get a lot of words, new words also. You can use these words in your conversation. So these were important some important tips for speaking English. If you think that this is important for you, this works for you, so like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.